welcome back to my channel. And I can't believe we're almost kind of midway through February, and today, like the title says, I'm going to be showing you some of my January favorites. Just a disclaimer, over half of them, actually almost all of them, are from my friend Christine. I will have her YouTube channel linked down below. Her and I did this gift exchange, and she spoiled me and got me all of these amazing products to try, and so you're going to see a lot of them and kind of my reviews in this video, as well as most of this stuff was like maybe Christmas, and yeah, I think one thing I actually purchased myself. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, so the first products are a set. This is the Apotcare Paris Own Your Glow skincare system, and I am basically almost out of all of this. I am completely out of the cleanser, but these are really unique. They were foam. I had never tried a skincare that was all foamy. One was the micellar foam, which is step one. Then we have the clarifying foam. Oh no. Number two was exfoliating foam, and then the third was a toner. It was clarifying foam, and these worked really nice. They feel very gentle, and I think they'd be good for somebody with really sensitive skin. I did enjoy them. I liked that there was a pre-cleanser because I'm really into that. I found that a lot of my skin issues have been resolved by double cleansing. And so I really enjoyed these. Unfortunately, I tried to look these up online and I can't find the actual system, so I don't know if this is for purchase or not, but I'm sure you can find, I don't know, something similar. To follow up the skincare, she also got me the Tatcha water cream. This stuff is amazing. This is great for anti-aging, healing, skin evening. This stuff is very beautiful. It's great for normal to, I think, oily skin, which is perfect because I tend to have actually a bit of combination skin, especially this winter, but I found this to be super hydrating. It did not irritate my skin. I don't need to use a lot because with it being the water, I think it's water-based, it like a little goes a long way. It really smooths over your face, and I mean, how bougie is this like little spoon? And so you just kind of pop it open and you take a little bit and kind of all over your face, and it is wonderful. I try to use this sparingly because it is costly. I believe this retails for about $80 to $90 in stores, but if you're like me, I use a night cream, so I only need to use this once a day, so it does go a bit longer for me. If you were using this twice a day, you would run out of this faster. To follow in the facial area, this is such a beautiful product. This is the Amoravixa Budapest Rejuvenating Night Cream. I absolutely love this. So this night cream is absolutely everything you'd want in a night cream. It's very hydrating. It has a very light, fresh scent. This has this has a shelf life of 9 months, so I feel like a little goes a long way, so you do have this a longer amount of time. It is a very, very expensive product. It's so high-end. I absolutely love this. What I really, really like about this product, you're gonna laugh, is that it gives me ASMR so much. Like the glass, like, I don't have nails, but like, I think that this product sounds so beautiful. It sounds as beautiful as it is, but honestly, this is probably the best night cream I have ever had. Anti-aging, it has a lot of wonderful vitamins and healing properties in it, and it is worth the price point if you want to spend that. So if you're looking for something that's higher end, a little more bougie, but gives you great results, this is your gal. Next up is the Bum Bum Cream. I love this stuff. This stuff smells so fantastic, and I remember Christine saying that the scent mixes kind of with your own body's chemistry and changes, and it is so true. But it smells so yummy. Like, you want to slather this everywhere. I haven't necessarily noticed that it takes away cellulite, but I noticed that my body feels more hydrated. I use this everywhere. I think that this is like amazing, and I get why people love it so much, and I get why they sell it in like huge tubs. They have like big tubs of this that you can order, and I love this. It has like it's infused with all-powerful guarana extract, and I think that's like very caffeinated and very good for your body with like firming and plumping and blah blah blah. So this is awesome. I love this stuff. Okay, the next product I purchased all on my own for $9.99. This is a little humidifier. Now, unfortunately, I can't link this down below because I got it at the Pacific Mall. But recently, actually not recently, this happened to me last year, and I never really connected the dots until it happened this year. But our condo is very, very dry, and last Christmas time and this year, I've been getting really bad cuts in my nose, and I think it's just because of how dry the air is in here, and especially in the morning it would be so painful. It still like is there, and so I thought, oh, I should probably get a humidifier, but I kept forgetting and whatever, and we were at the Pacific Mall and I saw this, and it's perfect for beside your bed. And honestly, for how little this is, it only lasts for like maybe 4 hours. It has helped so much with the cuts in my nose and just keeping the room a little less dry. If I'm working in the bedroom, I will fill this up and turn it on while I'm sitting there. I honestly really, really like this. It does have a light, which I thought would be more annoying, but it's not. And you just fill up the little canister, put this back on, hit the power button, and out comes the moist air. Yeah, this is great. I'm pretty sure you can find something very similar to this on Amazon. I think I do next year want to purchase a larger one. I think that would be very helpful, but for now, this is good. Okay, on to another gift. This was from Natalie, my sister, and I actually got this in a set, which I love. It came with shampoo and conditioner, but it's in the shower all wet right now. And this is the Chi Black Seed Oil Leave-In Conditioner, and this is amazing stuff. As you can see, I've really been like going to town on this. It smells very nice. The smell with the shampoo and conditioner can be very overwhelming, just because it's so strong. But this alone, aside from the scent, is such a nice leave-in conditioner. My hair feels so hydrated, so silky smooth, and I mean, I do a lot of things to my hair, and this really has made a difference, I think. I enjoy this. I think this and the Rosarco Leave-In Milk Conditioner are two of my favorite products, and if you can get your hands on this, you will not be disappointed. The smell is amazing, and how your hair feels is incredible. Okay, the last product is from my mother, and it is this Eddie Bauer puffer, and I'll get a full length shot. It's kind of long, it's about mid-thigh, and this is my absolute favorite. Actually, my mom got one for herself, and I loved it so much. And so she bought me one for Christmas. What I love is to go shopping in this jacket because it actually comes with a little pouch that you can completely fold this into and put it in your purse. Because I'm the type of person that I want to walk into the mall with my jacket on because I don't want to walk through the parking lot being freezing cold. But then when I get inside, I'm sweating hot. This, I can just take it off. And what I also love is this hood. It's honestly one of the best pieces of clothing that I own, and it says it can go to minus 10 degrees. I don't think so. I mean, obviously you can, but you're not going to be warm. This is, to me, not something you're going to want to take a long, I won't walk Walter in this jacket if it's really cold out. This is like if I'm running errands and I'm going to be outside for a minimal amount of time, but I want to still wear a jacket. This is perfect. I love this. This is from Bauer, and I have like only good things to say about this. It's for real one of, if not one of my favorite things that I got for Christmas. So that is it for my January favorites. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again in another video. Bye!